My First Train Trip by Lynn Rickards, illustrated by Leigh Honor Roberts. Today, I'm going on a train ride. We are going to see my grandpa. The station is very big. Lots of people are going on trains. Some people are going on holiday. Some people are going to work. We need to buy a ticket. We go to the ticket office and get our tickets. Your train will leave from platform 5, says the ticket seller. There are lots of platforms. We look for platform 5. Where is platform 5? Says Mum. Here it is. This must be our train. Let's get in, she says. Each carriage has lots of seats. Where do you want to sit? Says Mum. I want to look out of the window, I say. Can I have a window seat? The train starts to move. It makes a rumbling noise. I look out of the window. Oh, look, I say. The platform outside is moving. No, laughs Mum. We're moving. The train is very slow as we go through the city. At first, I can see streets and buildings. Some people wave as the train goes by. Soon the train leaves the city behind. Now I can see fields and trees. Some people are working in the fields. It is a long journey. At last, I can see houses again. We are nearly there. The train is slowing down. Someone is waiting for us on the platform. It's my grandpa. My first train trip. A little girl is going on a train trip. She is going to see her grandpa.